Today, we'll walk through the installation, operation, charging, and zeroing of your Viridian Grip laser on a Taurus Judge revolver. Here's what's included in your pack. 1 grip laser for the Taurus Judge, 1 magnetic charging cord, 1 SAFECharge power bank, 1 hardware and tool pack, and 1 quick setup guide. First things first, we're going to remember our safety rules and keep the gun pointed in a safe direction. Then, we can open the cylinder and inspect the barrel and all the chambers to ensure they are clear. Begin by removing the factory grip. Use the large hex wrench included in the box with your new grip to loosen the screw at the base of the handle. Then, slide the grip off the frame. The next step will be to split the halves of the new laser grip. Then use the non-electronic side and place it on the gun's grip by plugging the bump at the top of the grip into the hole at the top of the gun's handle. After that, take the factory retaining screw you removed earlier and use the large hex wrench to reinstall it. Tighten the screw until it's just barely snug. Do not over-tighten. Now, using the screws and screwdriver included in the package, attach the second half of the grip to the gun's handle. Secure it in place with the 3 provided screws. Then, using the large hex wrench again, snug it up nice and tight, but be careful not to over-tighten. Before first use, it's recommended that you fully charge your device. To charge, connect the USB end of the charging cable to the SAFECharge power bank. Then attach the magnetic charging end to the port on the grip. The light will blink red when it's charging. Before using your grip laser, we recommend fully charging it. To check the charge level, make sure the switch is in the on position. Then, press the activation button on the top front of the grip, next to the trigger guard. The indicator light near the charging port will display your battery status. Green indicates the battery is above 50%. Amber indicates the battery is between 25 and 50%. Red indicates the battery is below 25% and should be recharged. Then, to activate the laser, simply apply pressure to the front-facing button located just below the trigger guard. Use the included tool to adjust the windage and elevation screws to bring the laser closer to the center of the grouping. Turn the windage adjustment screw clockwise to move the point of impact to the right, and counterclockwise to move the point of impact to the left. Turn the elevation adjustment screw clockwise to move the point of impact up, and counterclockwise to move the point of impact down. You have now successfully installed your Viridian Laser Grip. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at 763-479-4091, or you can reach us by email at info@viridian.tech.